Hey boys, welcome to Volpe's Kitchen. We thought we would give you a really fun recipe so that you could do some cooking on your own, maybe Saturday or Sunday morning. You can make it for yourself or your whole family. So stick around, follow the video and step-by-step instructions, and I hope that you make this. I'm going to go through everything real simple, real straightforward, and I think you're going to like it. We're going to do two things this morning. We're going to do toad in a hole, and we're going to do a potato pancake. And the ingredients that you're going to need this morning: an egg, a potato, some butter, slice of bread, thick one, a little espresso cup if you have one, or a small glass, a little bit of vegetable oil, a non-stick frying pan, a knife, a flipper. Is that what you call this, a flipper? I call it a spatula, but that's not right, I guess. And a grater. So let's get to it. It's pretty simple. First things first, put a few potatoes in boiling water at night, depending on how many people are going to eat. 10 minutes, then put it in the fridge. And then in the morning, it'll be cold and it'll be partially cooked, okay? So we're going to grate the potato all the way to the end. Just be careful you don't grate your fingers. And I have this nice stringy potato on my cutting board. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on my frying pan to about a medium heat. I'm going to put some butter in it. Don't be afraid. Lots of butter. Butter makes things better. And I'm going to make my potato look like a pancake. And I'm going to shape it just nice and neat and gently. And then once my butter is melted in the frying pan, I'm going to put my potato pancake on the butter. The thinner you make it, the faster it will cook, but the thinner you make it, the more frying pan space it takes up. So if you notice, my frying pan's pretty big because the second component to this breakfast is this slice of bread that's going to go in the frying pan next. So you just want a big frying pan or a griddle. If you have like a pancake griddle, that'll work as well too. And now I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And if you like, ground pepper. I'm going to take our Texas toast if you have it. And I know there's some of you guys like Wolf and a few other boys that are gluten-free. That's perfectly fine. Find yourself the best piece of gluten-free bread you can get, and you can do exactly the same thing. You can use anything, guys. You can use sourdough. You can use, I don't know, anything that you want. You can use a challah. You can use a whole wheat. You can use Wonder Bread. This is actually a Volpe's Kitchen homemade white bread that we made yesterday. I cut it kind of thick. So I'm going to take my espresso cup and I'm going to put it in the middle of my bread. And I'm going to cut out a hole in the middle. I'm going to take my softened butter, because if you don't have softened butter, it's really hard to do this. And I'm going to generously butter both sides of my bread. So we got our potato pancake cooking away. You can hear it sizzling. Oh yeah, baby. So we're going to flip our potato gently. Look at that, beautiful. The same thing goes, we're going to salt and pepper this side. Once again, only put as much salt as you like. Remember, too much salt, you can't take it away. So you can always add salt later, but don't go crazy with the salt, okay? All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add our bread, buttered, into the pan. Put it in the frying pan. All right, we're going to crack our egg, and we're going to put it right in the hole. The middle, nice crusty golden brown look, and very carefully, we're going to flip our egg. Beautiful. Okay, let's have a look-see here at our potato, how it's going. Oh, it looks so good. So we're almost ready, guys. Okay, boys, so now we're going to plate. Careful, gently. And there it is, boys. Toad in the hole with a potato pancake, beautiful glass of orange juice. I got my HP, you can put whatever you want on it. Try this and send me the photo and we can see if we can get it up on Crescent social media. Have a great day, boys.